So in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screen capture or a screenshot using a couple different methods. So let's say you're trying to log in to your homework and you get an error message. Okay, I had to search for one because it actually was working today. So there's a couple of different options that you can do here. You can, on a keyboard, you can press the print screen key. If you have one, it'll look something like this. It may have something else above it or with it. It may be over here, over top of the number keypad on different keyboards. On a laptop, you may have to press a function button along with it to get it to work. But somewhere on your keyboard, you'll see print screen. Sometimes it'll be abbreviated PRTC SCR or something like that. But anyway, once you've pressed that, you can open up. I'm going to press it on my keyboard, and then you can open up like Microsoft Paint, and then just hit Control and V, and you can paint that thing in there, and then there's that error message. All right. Now, you could then save it to there if you wanted to. You could use the little clipper, the little selection tool, and then select only the error message, and then Control X on your keyboard will take that away, and then you can open up your email. And you want to type who you're sending it to. So if you're sending it to me, and screen capture, then just hit Control V in here, and it will paste that little error message. Okay, you can do it that way. You can actually paste the whole entire screen capture if you wanted to do that as well. So if I went back to that page and hit print screen on my keyboard, I could go back into the email and just paste that whole entire screen capture. All right, it shrinks it down so it'll fit in your little window box, but it's something that I would be able to open up and stretch out and be able to see it. You can also expand it in your email if you want to. Okay. Now, another tool that I like even more, but it's not always available on every computer, is called the Snipping Tool. So if you click on your Start menu down here at the bottom left corner of your screen, you may or may not have it here. If it's not available here in the Start menu, you can just start typing Snipping Tool, and it'll look and see if it's got it. So there's Snipping Tool. I click that. When I open it up, and initially it will look like this, your screen will go a little gray. See it get a little cloudy, and then you can then take this cursor and just like with that rectangular tool in Paint, you can go ahead and highlight what you want, and then this right here will do the copy feature, and then you can again open up your email and paste it in there. So either one of those, screen capture, either one of those is perfectly fine method for using this. I like the Snipping Tool better myself, just because it and it's also under all programs accessories. It's right there. I like it better just because you don't have to open up Paint to do it. You just highlight what you want to send and send it. But that way I can see any error messages if you're trying to log in. And this is the most common. That's why it showed up in this Google search. It's the most common because it happens more often, and this is an easily fixable error. You just clear your cache, and it's fine. It'll most of the time that'll fix this. But just if you ever have an error message, screen capture the error message, and if there ever is a code with the error message, this one doesn't have a code, but if there ever, let's see if any of these have a code, not your, you got it wrong error message. But anyway, if you ever see a code with it, then definitely screen capture that and send it along, and that'll help speed up the process, hopefully, of getting you back into the course.